50 Explosive Marketing Secrets, Ideas, Tips, and Tricks to Blow Your Sales Up. Did you waste a lot of time and money on nonsense marketing? Would you like to read a marketing book for small businesses that is easy to follow and understand? Do you want to become a marketing genius and learn powerful marketing techniques to double your sales and lower your marketing spending? Then you must read this book. You have got nothing to lose. Spend a few hours reading this book and watch the changes happen. It'll take your business to the next level. Book's link is in the description and profile bio.